torrential rains came last night, and it's basically just flooding our house.
Several areas already seeing rain this morning, and the heaviest rain yet to come. The storm has the potential to trigger flooding and mudslides.
We have a record amount of rain coming.
We have most of the second floor frame, but we don't have the roof on yet. We have to get the house down on its foundation and then put the roof on. So we have to do something in the interim to protect this home.
We have so much of the house exposed. We're trying to get everything all wrapped up. There's a lot of holes where the rain can get in. Getting a little nervous.
Starting to look a little ominous. I don't know, 20 tarps or so. Hoping the mudslide doesn't happen down in the foundation. It's starting to get dark, but we got a whole patchwork going on. See how it holds up.
Evacuation warnings are up tonight for most of the major burn scars.
It's scenes like this that LA County officials are trying to prevent as the season's first big storm rolls in.
There's an evacuation warning for anyone living on the foothills here in Altadena.
We haven't had a lot of time to do anything for this roof. So the roof is really a couple poles with some tarps that are sitting on them. We've got 12-inch crown molding downstairs. We've got a 5-foot tall wainscot that is all solid quarter-sawn oak downstairs. So any amount of water can create some really bad water damage if the wood gets wet downstairs. So we really have to make sure that there is no water upstairs that gets downstairs. And then the other thing is we're still up on cribs. So, you know, you walk in the house and you can still feel the house shaking. Jacques is actually pitching a tent in the house. I'll stay in the trailer with the dog, and hopefully we won't get washed away by mudslides.
Set up. Alright, I think it's about 9:45 or so. Looking south. Clouds are brewing. She's nice and cozy. Alright, honey, going to the campsite. I love you.
I love you too.
I'll see you in the morning.
Okay.
Alright, I think it's like 10:30 now. The first night in the house. Tarps are holding up. See how it goes. Here comes the rain. So far so good, but it just started. And we got our first leak. Oh man. This is going to be a long night. Not good. Come on. Oh my God. All these tarps are just ripping. The whole house is shaking. Feels like we're just on a boat. Oh, I'm so over this.
Oh, we have so many leaks. Water's coming in there. Everything ripped. This is terrible. Oh my God. So, it's leaking all the way down. Gonzalo and the crew are here.
They're doing everything they can to clean up as quickly as possible. Everything is wet. Oh, just everything's soaked. We've got a crew over here. We're trying to, all the tarps that we put up, they all ripped, and the water is just getting in every hole, every crevice. It's just all leaking from inside the house. The foundation, we are ready to pour, which means that the forms are up and the water is getting into the forms itself. So we got to pump, we started pumping all the water out of the forms, and we're hoping that we didn't lose too much of the structural integrity. I mean, we've got windows, closets, doors, everything, all the molding, base molding, chair rail, all the crown molding throughout the house is all stored downstairs, so just everything is soaked. And the problem is they can't stop the rain from coming in upstairs.
The crown molding, there's a couple of places where it's wet. That's mostly the floors I'm worried about. It's down here.
And we've got this whole room in here, and the water's seeping through the ceiling. This is where most of the water's dripping. The dog and I we were up all night. And then I never heard from Jacques, so finally at 8 in the morning I came in to see where he was, and he was soaked from head to toe and virtually crying, and just said, there's nothing he can do. We survived the night. It was really scary. I didn't sleep a wink. How you doing, honey? The floors are dry?
Yeah. I think they look all right.
It was hard to walk in the house and see Jacques crying and just so completely defeated. We literally felt like we were dumping water out of a sinking ship. It was second worst day this year behind the fires.
Yeah. But it's survived, so we just need to get this foundation poured.
Gonzalo and the crew have pumped out all the water in the trenches, and now they are hand troweling all the mud. There's probably 6 inches of mud that they're trying to get out in order to expose the rebar. Man, what a mess.
We just need to get this permit so that we can move, get this foundation poured. We have to get this house on solid ground. We can't survive another one of these storms.
It's the beginning of winter, so we have more storms coming, so
Yeah.
we have to be better prepared.
I thought we had at least another month before we'd see rain.
Yeah, but it's going to be coming pretty quick. So we have to figure out our tarp situation. We lost most of the ceilings downstairs. This is still really damp. Most of the ceiling fell off. It's got a lot of water damage, but we're going to take all that out anyway. Yeah, this is just a cluster. Staining on the floor, that's not good. The floors downstairs are in rough shape, but definitely salvageable. The floors upstairs, they all buckled. I don't think they're gonna be salvageable. I think they're gonna turn into a wood project for Jacques at some point.
But it's really the downstairs floors that we were
really hoping to save.
And I think they'll be okay.
We've got those piles of wood and we're not really sure if the floor underneath that was damaged. The wainscot, I think, will be okay, and the crown molding should be salvageable. So I'm hoping
I think for the most part that was fairly unscathed.
It's going to be a little while before everything dries out and we can assess what the damage is.
That was a big storm, a lot of rain in
A short period of time.
a short period of time.
I was definitely scared in the trailer, looking out the window every 10 minutes, like, is he okay? Is the light on? He's not texting me. He must be sleeping. Everything's gonna be fine. And then when I saw you bailing water out the front door at 7 in the morning, oh my God, I started to cry.
Join us for the rest of the journey and subscribe to Homeward.